Trying something new can feel overwhelming. A first Brazilian wax is a great example. You might feel questions or nervousness. That's completely normal. But this experience can be about confidence, comfort, and self-love. Today, we're here to guide you through everything you need to know. Let's explore if this is right for you. Feeling anxious before your appointment is a common feeling. You might ask, will it hurt? What if it feels awkward? Am I doing this the right way? Remember, anxiety often comes from the unknown. Understanding the process helps reduce that tension. Professional waxing is designed to be quick and respectful. It's best to wear loose, comfy clothing. Arrive clean and relaxed for your appointment. Remember, waxing professionals do this every day. They're not judging you. Take a slow, deep breath before you walk in. Inhale, hold it, then let it out. Remind yourself, I am safe. I am in control. I choose this for myself. Communication with your technician is essential. A good technician will explain what's happening. They will check in with you and adjust as needed. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. The room will feel clean and calming. Step-by-step guidance can greatly ease your fears. Often, the fear of the unknown is more significant than the experience itself. There are small things you can do for pain management. Consider scheduling your appointment during mid-cycle. This can help lower sensitivity. Avoid caffeine beforehand. Also, ask if there are numbing options available. After your appointment, the first feeling is usually relief. Then comes confidence. This boosts your self-esteem, not just from how you look, but from taking care of yourself. Aftercare is easy. Use cooling products and fragrance-free moisturizers. Wear loose clothing afterward. For the first day or two, avoid intense workouts, hot baths, and tight fabrics. Let your skin breathe and recover. That fresh, smooth feeling is more than just physical. It boosts your confidence. It shows you're listening to your body. For long-term results, consistency is key. Exfoliate gently a few times a week. Remember to moisturize regularly. Most people schedule waxing every 4 to 6 weeks. Over time, hair grows back finer and the process becomes easier. This experience is about more than hair removal. It's about your autonomy and self-care. Self-care is not about trends or expectations. It's about choosing what feels right for you. Whether you decide to wax, shave, trim, or do nothing, the decision is yours. Your first Brazilian wax doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right information and professional support, it can be an empowering act of self-care. If this video helped you feel more informed or at ease, please like, subscribe for more wellness content, and share it with someone who might appreciate this message today.